Hello everybody, how are you today? How do you feel? I hope you are very well. Today we are going to continue learning about simple past tense with the irregular verbs. During the weekdays on Monday and on Wednesday I taught on the Zoom program for A and for B grades, but here I would like to teach you one more time. Let's get started our lesson. So what is simple past tense and how can we use it? We use simple past tense to express an activity completed, finished in the past. Not today, not tomorrow. Our action finished, completed in the past. Like yesterday, last week, last year, last month, 2 days ago, 2 hours. So types of sentences: affirmative sentences, negative sentences, and question sentences. You already know how to make this kind of sentences. Here we are just going to make a small revision. So last week we learned how to make the verbs past with the regular verbs. You know, it was very easy. We just add ed end of the verb. Watch, watched, return, returned, stop, stopped, stay, stayed, look, looked, water, watered, call, called. You just add ed end of the verb and you make your action past. For example, cook. Let's make a positive sentence. They cooked a cake. They didn't cook a cake. Did they cook a cake? Yes, they did. No, they didn't. This part, regular verbs part of the simple past tense, is easy. Now here, we are going to focus on the irregular verbs. This is almost the same with regular verbs, but little bit different. For example, here, we don't add ed end of the verbs. We completely change the verb. Remember, I cook, I cooked, we used to say, but here we don't say I build it. No, we don't say like that. Or I buy it. We don't say, never. We just completely change the verb. Here are build, buy, drive, ride, eat, read, write, do, go, drink, see, take, tell, think, sit. You already know the most of these verbs. If you don't know the meaning of these verbs, or if you can't remember, you just look up the dictionary. Here, go. When you want to make a sentence by using the verb go, all you need to do, change the go into past form, went. She went to school. She went to school. Please don't say she got to school. No. She went to school. She didn't or did not go to school. You see, when it is negative, we use the bare infinitive without to, without ing, or without ed. We just write the verbs as it is. So in the question form, it is the same. We use the first form of the verb. Did she go to school? Yes, she did. She went to school. She didn't go to school. Did she go to school? Yes, she did. Another example, swim. Swim changed into swam. He swam, you see. He didn't swim. When it is negative, we go back to bare infinitive. Swim, first form of the verb. And did he swim? Yes, he did. No, he didn't, you can say. But he did. Where did he swim? He swam because it's a positive sentence and we have to use the second form of the verb. He swam in the pool. So here, look at the picture. What do you see? You see two children. What are they doing right now? They are eating ice cream. Let's imagine that they did this action yesterday. So my question, what did they do yesterday? They ate an ice cream. Eat changes into ate. Eat, first form of the verb. Ate, second form of the verb. Here are time expressions. Yesterday, last week, last night, 2 days ago, on Saturday, last week, last weekend, etc. We use these time expressions with the simple past tense. So look at these pictures. What did they do last week? Not this week, not next week, last week. What did they do last week? Build a house, go shopping, buy car, paint the wall, make a cake. All you need to do is change these verbs into second form of the verb. So let's see what they did do. So what they did last week. He built. Actually the verb, our verb was built. It changes into build. She bought a car. Buy changes into bought. He drove a car. Drive changes into drove and becomes past. They made a cake. Make changed into made. They made a cake. Paint here, it's a regular verbs. We just add ed. He painted the wall. He built a house. She bought a car. He drove a car. They made a cake. He painted the wall. She went shopping. Anyway, now please look at these irregular verbs for a while, one by one. Buy, bought, drive, drove, write, wrote, eat, ate, read, read. The spelling is the same with the first form of the verb, read, but when we want to use in the past, we just say read. The pronunciation changes as a read. I read a book yesterday. We just read, but we just read, but we read it as a read. Write, wrote, do, did, go, went, drink, drank, see, saw, take, took, tell, told, think, taught, sit, sat. These are some irregular verbs. Now, what did they do last Tuesday? Here, please pause the video and focus on the verbs eat, read, do, drink, sit. Do you remember the second form, past form of these verbs? Let me remind you, eat changes into ate, read changes into read, do changes into did, sit changes into sat, with T, not D, sat. Drink changes into drank. Okay, let's see what they did last Tuesday. She ate chocolate. He read book. He did homework. He sat down, and the little mouse, he drank coffee. Let me help you with more examples. What did you do today? Take a nap, draw a picture, write a letter, or read a book. What did you do today? What did you do today? I read a book. What did you do today? I read a book. What did you do today? I drew a picture. What did you do today? I drew a picture. What did you do today? I wrote a letter. What did you do today? I wrote a letter. Write, wrote. What did you do today? I took a nap. What did you do today? I took a nap. Thank you very much for listening to me. It was very joyful lesson for me. See you next time. Have a nice day.